Hey guys, this is Zach with NeXTech News, and today we're going to do a new PC build. This time the build will be for my brother, and it'll be a build less than $1,000. Some of the parts I've chosen are actually hand-me-downs from past PC builds of mine, which is why I went with the choices I did. In today's market, there are a lot of great options, especially in the GPU category, for budget pieces and stuff, but I went with the parts I did because they were hand-me-downs. So let's move on to the parts list. So in this build, we have a Thermaltake Commander Snow Edition, an Asus Z97A motherboard, an Intel i5-4690K, an EVGA GTX 970 SSC, an 8GB Kingston Fury DDR3 at 1886 MHz, an EVGA 750W G2 power supply, a Seagate 1TB hard drive for games and storage, and an OCZ 240GB SSD for booting up. And for cooling, we have a Cooler Master Side-On 120V water cooler. Like I said before, some of these parts are hand-me-downs. Had I chosen new parts, I would have replaced the Cooler Master Side-On water cooler and the EVGA 970. I'd replace the Cooler Master water cooler with a Corsair Hydro H60, and I'd replace the EVGA 970 with a new EVGA 1060 6GB edition. So pricing out the build, the case is $48.99, the motherboard is $108.92, the processor is $235.99, the graphics card is $249.99, the 8GB kit is $44.62, the power supply is $97.96, the 1TB hard drive is $49.99, the 240GB SSD is $107.42, and the Corsair H60 is $49.99, which adds up to a grand total of $993.87, which falls just below the $1,000 target. So now that all that's done, let's move on to the build. So if I were to build this PC again for my brother, probably would have also chosen a different case. The case is good looking and everything, and I thought everything came out pretty good. However, the case is really poor wire management, and it has no water cooling support. I basically had to jury rig the water cooler into the back of the case, where the 120mm fan would normally go. Basically, I had to lower it from the holes that were there, and then kind of almost zip tie one part of it down. But I think it came out really well in the long run, and I'm sure he's really going to like the PC. What do you guys think of the PC? Do you like it? Do you not? Let me know in the comments. And let me know what parts you would have done differently. Obviously, a lot of the parts I chose, again, were chosen because they were hand-me-downs, but let me know what you think you would do for a $1,000 PC build. If you guys like this video, please click that like button down below. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. This is Zach with NeXTech News. See ya!